So once you got everything hooked up, and I know it's dark, I had to move it to get it plugged in, but it came with everything fastened on the end of that, your tip and your nozzle. Just make sure you take that stuff off before you try to spool your wire through it. And we'll just, so far so good, that's a good sign. Things don't work too good when it's -2. It's coming. Feel it. Ding, ding, ding. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. So, then you just take your, I can do this like that. That fits in there good. I wasn't sure, this is 042 wire. I wasn't sure what size tip that was. But it went through there and fit pretty good, so we're gonna go with it. Alright. Let's turn some gas on. And let's just see here. Ha! Oh, baby, we're gonna get some stuff done today. Ha! All right, all right. We're gonna work on this today. Yay!